During the Investigate the Source step of SIFT, we learn more about the organization or journal where the unknown source is published. Open Google or your preferred search tool. Enter the name of the journal or organization. In this case, the American Journal of Public Health. We will look at the Wikipedia entry for the American Journal of Public Health. According to Wikipedia, this journal is a monthly peer-reviewed public health journal published by the American Public Health Association that covers health policy and public health. The journal was established in 1911, and its stated mission is to advance public health research, policy, practice, and education. Because we are learning more about drinking water and its effect on the health of older adults, this journal sounds like it would be very helpful. The topic matches our research, and it has been publishing information on health for a long time.